Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to change phone number in Afterpay. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there's a few steps for you to follow before you can actually change your phone number. So first thing that you have to do here in the mobile app is you first have to log in into your account, and from there navigate to the My Afterpay tab located in the bottom right corner. And from there, scroll down and choose Profile Details within the Account Settings section. Now from there, opt for the mobile phone field and input the updated number and provide the verification code sent to your email or phone number for completion. And you should be good. Now, if you want to do this via their website, same thing. You need to log in and click on the account section or account tab at the top right corner of the page. And from there, just click on the edit button under the profile tab that is next on your phone number. Now, from there, enter the verification code that was sent to your new email address or phone number, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.